Why do I lose file versions in Creative Cloud workflow? Imagine working on a project and suddenly realizing you can't find an earlier version of your file. Frustrating, right? That can happen when using Adobe Creative Cloud for your asset management and workflow. Let's explore why this occurs and how to prevent it. First, Adobe Creative Cloud automatically creates a new version of your file each time you save it to the cloud. This version is stored on Adobe's servers and can be accessed through the Creative Cloud website or within apps like Photoshop and Illustrator. But if you don't save your files properly, or if you save files locally without syncing, version history might not be recorded. When you save files directly in the cloud as cloud documents, the autosave feature keeps track of versions, and you can view them inside the app. If you are syncing files through Creative Cloud Sync, versions are stored but mainly accessible via the web interface. If you save files outside of the cloud or forget to upload them, the system won't track previous versions. Another reason for losing versions is the limit set by Adobe. Creative Cloud plans have storage caps, and Adobe may automatically delete older versions to free up space. If your storage is full, older versions might be pruned without warning. So, it's good to check your storage limits regularly. Overwriting files outside the Creative Cloud environment can also cause issues. For example, if you manually replace a file in a synced folder without using Adobe Apps or the web interface, the system treats it as a new upload. This means the previous version is lost because the system doesn't recognize it as a continuation of the same file. Connectivity problems can also lead to version loss. If your internet connection drops during a save or sync, the latest version may not upload properly. Conflicts between local and cloud versions can happen if you work offline and then reconnect, causing the system to choose one version over another. Managing files across multiple locations, like local drives, cloud folders, or third-party storage, can create confusion. Without a clear workflow, you might accidentally overwrite or lose track of previous versions. Finally, because Creative Cloud's version control is automatic but limited, not managing your versions actively can lead to missing files. If you don't label or check in files properly, important versions might be overwritten or deleted. To prevent losing versions, always save files within the Creative Cloud system or ensure they are properly synced. Use the Creative Cloud website or supported apps to access and restore previous versions when needed. Keep an eye on your storage limits and avoid overwriting files outside of the managed environment. Establish a clear asset management process, especially when collaborating, to avoid conflicts. And consider backing up important files and versions outside of Creative Cloud for extra safety. By understanding how Adobe's version system works and following these simple steps, you can keep your work safe and avoid losing those important file versions. This makes your workflow smoother and helps you stay confident in managing your creative assets efficiently.